Hello everyone, this is Marshall Gittler, Head of Investment Research here at FXPRIMUS, bringing you my European opening market comment for Tuesday, August 30th. Currencies are opening a little change this morning. The dollar continued its rally, although it came off its highs as expectations of a rate hike in September faded somewhat. Meanwhile, the yen rebounded on what looks to me like just some mean reversion after the sharp move in early Tokyo trading yesterday, following the Jackson Hole symposium. The European day today starts with the German CPI data. As usual, each Länder issues its data, and then the national CPI is released later in the day. So by that time, the market has a pretty good idea of what it's likely to be. As the graph shows, the Saxony CPI, the first one to be released every month, has recently been a good forecaster of the national CPI. So the market really doesn't have much suspense. There's not much suspense about what the end result is going to be. The national CPI is expected to be up by less than in the previous month on a month-on-month basis, but the year-on-year rate of change is expected to accelerate slightly nonetheless. That could mean less pressure on the ECB to take further steps and therefore be positive for the euro. UK mortgage approvals in July are expected to be lower, but that should be no surprise after the British Bankers Association figures for the month came out last week. The graph shows those two series also tend to move together closely. The reason for the decline in mortgages has less to do with Brexit than with the change in stamp duty at the end of April. Nonetheless, FX traders tend not to be experts on these kinds of details about the economic statistics, and so the figure could still depress the pound when it comes out. There's more UK news coming out overnight, including the GfK UK Consumer Confidence Index and the UK House Price Index from the Nationwide Building Society, both for August. I'll discuss those later in my North American opening market comment, together with the US data coming out. This is Marshall Gittler, Head of Investment Research at FXPRIMUS. Get more market insights on our education pages and turn your trading ideas into action with FXPRIMUS, the safest place to trade.